I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to extract iodine from salt. First, ensure you have a clear understanding of what iodized salt contains. Next, gather all your materials, including safety goggles and gloves, to protect yourself. Finally, prepare a clean, well-ventilated workspace to ensure a safe and efficient extraction process. This preparation is crucial for successful results. To begin, dissolve approximately 100 grams of iodized salt in about 200 milliliters of water, stirring until it's fully dissolved. Then, carefully add 50 milliliters of white vinegar to this solution, which helps create the right acidic environment. Next, slowly introduce 10 milliliters of 3% hydrogen peroxide. You should observe a color change as the iodine is released. As the reaction progresses, you will notice dark, solid iodine precipitating from the solution. Carefully pour the mixture through a coffee filter or a fine cloth to separate the solid iodine from the liquid. Once collected, spread the iodine out on a non-reactive surface and allow it to air dry completely. This ensures purity and prepares it for safe handling. Safety is paramount. Always wear protective gloves and eyewear throughout the entire extraction process to prevent any skin or eye irritation. Once dry, store your extracted iodine in a sealed, dark container, away from light and moisture, to maintain its stability. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.